Hello, welcome back. I'm at the clay tips once again. I was doing the motocross down there last time and I'm going to head up the mountain. I noticed in that last video that when I was following the path my flying was quite wobbly, which is, I think it's because I was trying just not to crash and I really didn't want to crash. But I'm going to try and get a lot smoother. I really need to practice on that. And also I was doing sort of a range test at one point. So from this point over to here, I think I went about 300 meters total. I looked on Google Maps. So that's pretty good. So I've looked on Google Maps again. I'm going to try and go see how far I can push it without losing my drone. But I'm just going to follow the path from the top of the mountain to make sure I know where it is at least. Because I've had crashes, this one here in this video, that was about 100 meters away when I just lost signal on my controller, which is a lot lower than normal. So yeah, I'm just going to practice following paths, try to get it a bit smoother, and also test my range once again. So tiring. But basically my goal for this is, if I'm up here, hopefully I've got better line of sight and maybe I can dive down, fly all the way around the path and then come back up without losing signal, hopefully. So I was up on the mountain and I followed the path all the way to this corner here. When I was up there, it didn't actually seem that far to this point, but now that I'm here looking at the mountain, that's really far. Look how far that is. So this is currently my furthest flight ever. So yeah, from that mountain over there to about where Thea is about 600 meters. So it's pretty good. And now we're just heading to that spot I flew yesterday, and I'm going to try and fly that a bit better because it was really janky and wobbly. I want to get it nice and smooth. Before I was trying to like follow the path slightly, but it just ended up looking really shit. So I'm going to try and just like ignore the path and just fly it smooth, and then obviously the path will still be in frame, so it'll probably look better. But let's go find out. Alright, I'm back at this bit. So last time I flew along the path and then up and flew back across the top. I want to try to get it a lot smoother, but I don't want to just do the same thing. So I'll fly along the top and then I'll follow the path back this way. So like a reverse loop. Yeah, last time I was just overcompensating too much, trying not to crash, but I want to try and get it a lot smoother. I think I just need to think ahead and just try and like plan the corners more and just try and get smoother flights really.
been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Well, that first part was a little bit wobbly, especially got around the corner, lost a bit of signal, and I was just like, ah! But the rest of it, and then flying back, that was pretty smooth, I think. Felt smooth, and it felt a bit faster as well, which is nice. I think for the top section, not following the path exactly is a lot smoother and looks a lot better.